Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I am giving you a fall pumpkin spice eyeshadow. Just cracking me up. I'm going to use the Born to Run from Urban Decay. I got this in my Sephora haul. If you want to see what I got at the BIB Rouge sale, you know, it's not really a sale. It's, you get 20% off. I guess that's a sale. I don't know. Anyhow, I picked this up at that. It's quite a popular palette. It's very pretty. I want to say it's kind of expensive. Was it $59? But it has some really great fall shades. So I was thinking this one maybe, and then I'm kind of wearing this burgundy shade, and yeah. So I did do that one ochre kind of, where I was sort of making fun of all the ochre. I did the Rimmel, the Jewel Rocks palette, and that's lots of fun. I can link that above as well. But I just thought I'll do something a little bit different with this one. Maybe focus more on those kind of pumpkin-y and spicy shades, and a little bit of cheekiness, you know, with the whole pumpkin spice thing, but also something kind of fun. And I'm gonna just like really smoke it out and just make it bam, okay? Yes, all right. So if you haven't seen this palette yet, this top shade, or I should say, wait, how many shades are there? 3, 7, there's 21 shades. They're matte, shimmer, couple sparkle maybe, breakaway, this first, stranded, blaze, and weekender. Like right there is your pale neutral fascination. Still shot, riff, good as gone. Ooh, there's some pumpkin fall harvest shades for ya, right? Okay, so this is the first row. Now, the next row, more drama. Hell Ride, Baja, Accelerate, Guilt Trip. So pretty. I love plum with kind of these orangey shades. Very hocus pocus, would you say? Ignite, Smog, and Wanderlust are the last 3 on that second row. So here's your second row. That is pretty much fall. That is a fall swatch right there, folks. Now, this next row, I need more arm, is going to be Wild Heart, Punk, Double Life, Jet, because you need a black shade. Do you see Double Life? That's this one right here. That is some major drama amazingness. So these 4. And the last 3, Drift. Oh, it's like a charcoal, but it's Radio, Big Sky. Wow, 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 wow. This one is soft as a baby's cheek. So those are the bottom 3. That, I'm telling you guys, this is quite a palette. I haven't bought or even used an Urban Decay palette in a while, and so I feel like it's time. All right, I'm gonna just sort of sweep my hair back. We're gonna get a good all over shade. I'm gonna use Weekender just because that is such a great kind of getting all over my lid shade. If you don't like pumpkin spice lattes or pumpkin spice anything, you can pretend this is gingerbread. A cinnamon dolce eye tutorial. Come on. You've got to like something, right? And I'm gonna go in Baja. Is that soft enough? You know what? I'm gonna use the same brush in Baja as I did Weekender because I'm not gonna go back in Weekender. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer so many shades. But what's pumpkin spice without this Baja orange, right? Okay, so now I'm going to go into Double Life. It's a very bronze, coppery, kind of going deeper. The shades are getting darker. I'm covering the entire lid space. Okay, just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to take a very small brush that's thin, and I'm going to go in Hell Ride, which is kind of plum, kind of orchid like the one in the Jouet, and I'm going to do it right here. I want, when you look at my eyelids, I want you not to be able to figure out which shades. Like, I want to see like just this variation of so many shades. I'm only doing that in the corner. Okay, and now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to put it in Ignite. Do you see that? And that's just going down here in the very center. It's almost like I made a nucleus. Look at me, all fancy. Take this breakaway shade this is the very first light shade, quite ivory. Short brush, and I'm going to put it in Riff. It's kind of a tobacco. It's going to go underneath here. The fun thing about these shades, I think, well, even if you had brown eyes, like if you had any kind of gold flecks, really brings it out. Green eyes, oh my gosh, it just like brings out the green. Blue eyes, orange shadow brings out the blue so incredibly much. Yeah. I've definitely got a shadow here. I need to fix that. And Stranded to do my inner tear duct. We need mascara. To wear on my lips. I'm thinking kind of burgundy, but I don't want to compete. Wearing Project Chimp So I went with a little bit of drama, and I put the Project Chimp on because it's kind of a yellow red against my skin tone. It's got kind of this rust. But then I popped over the Glitter Fix Glitter Lip Gloss from Maybelline, and this is pure gold. This is the shade Gold Boost. So it's a little crazy. But I think it gives it that pumpkin-y fire, you know what I mean? And then if you want something maybe a little more subdued, the Stardust from Jouer would look pretty over Project Chimp. I think I keep my drama to something a little different than sort of what other people think of drama. I don't have like a thick liquid line or, you know, cat eye. I'm not wearing false lashes, so I'm not heavily contoured, which I hope that this is something that appeals to you, and because this is what I'm more comfortable of doing, even just going about my day, because this is just Wednesday. You know, I don't know when you're watching this video, but this is just Wednesday and I still have to go to Target, so I'm usually the one going to Target fully made up, but like in sweats. Yeah. But I am really excited about this Born to Run palette. It's beautiful. There's probably some dupes out there. I will be on the lookout. I'm sure Shop Hush has something similar. I probably have something similar from Shop Hush. So yeah, I will list everything I used below. Feel free to leave a comment. Give this video a thumbs up if you will. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much. If you have, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.